best Schedule 1 mod you need to try. So here are some best Schedule 1 mods that you need to try. The first one is Mod Manager. It's the classic mod manager. This lets you easily manage your other mods. You can enable or disable them by a simple click of the checkbox and they'll take effect after restarting your game. No need to dig into folders to remove mods anymore. It's really convenient. The second mod is Enhanced Casino. For all of the gamblers out there, this increases the max bet that you can actually do in the casino to $25,000 for all the games. It also includes a free play mode and updated UI for a better experience. The third mod is Always On Clock. This adds an in-game clock with the first day of the week also present, which will be found in the bottom right corner. You can move the clock widget whenever you want to by clicking the F9 on your keyboard and dragging it, and then pressing F9 again to lock it in place. And if you're not digging the style, there are alternative versions of the look if you prefer that. Now, the fourth mod is minimap. This adds a minimap to the bottom right corner of your screen. It shows your location, nearby businesses, and properties. You can toggle it on and off with F3. Future updates also plan to include some NPCs, custom waypoints, and even some multiplayer support. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.